Master Sergeant Jen Pilson, Staff Sergeant Jason Washington, Senior Airman Malia Barrett. The aircraft maintenance team is made up of Staff Sergeant Sean Law. Watch now as this heavy hauler, capable of over 586,000 pounds, approaches Show Center from the right. You can actually park an A-1 Abrams tank in this aircraft and take it wherever you need to go. I want you to watch now, I want you to listen because this is impressive. The C-17, now configured for landing, looks like it could touch down right here at Show Center. The landing gear down, the flaps are hanging down. Now just put yourself there in that austere environment where this thing would be used. Watch and listen now as the C-17 approaches. Those huge turbofan engines, capable of propelling the jet not only down the runway, but also lifting off a very short distance. Soon come to life. Ready to line it up? Should. Let's go ahead and push those throttles up all the way down there at the end of the airshow box as our C-17 completes its demonstration. What a cool job down there to see that thing. Somebody just wrote me and said there's a snake in the water. A snake in the water. That's true. I see some snakes down there, but they're all, part of the show. We did pull the shark nets up, folks. Don't go too far out there. We had to pull the shark nets out of the water to make that air show box safe. Now look at the boats. Now they're getting the memo. You guys and gals out there in the boats, hope y'all are having fun. That C-17 is going to run around out there on the outside to show you a little bit of action.